Hello class, my name is Thompson. I'm a trainer at Lubavu Technical College TVET, and today we are going to complete the second part of our module, which is called Repair a Sensitizer. Today's topic is Repair Sensitizer Power Adapter. At the end of this session, each learner will be able to test a power adapter of a sensitizer and to replace defected component of sensitizer power adapter. And also, she will be able to conduct after repair testing a sensitizer power adapter. Firstly, you may ask yourself, what is a sensitizer power adapter? A sensitizer power adapter is used simply to convert AC current into direct current, which is required by the internal component of a sensitizer in order to work properly. It's used as a power supply of a sensitizer. As you can see, firstly, we are going to see the main part of a sensitizer power adapter. As you can see, the fuse is used to protect internal circuit against overcurrent. This one is a transformer, as always, which is used to step down AC current in order to be converted well. And the second one, as you can see, is a rectifier, which is used to convert AC current into direct current, which is required by the internal component to work properly. And this one is called a filter or a main capacitor, which is used to remove all unwanted AC signal remain while rectification going on. This one, as you can see, is called a regulator, which is used to regulate the required output. It means it's used to regulate the required DC current which the sensitizer needs to work properly. As we finish to see the main part of a sensitizer power adapter, now we are going to see the general fault which occur in a sensitizer power adapter and the diagnostic techniques. As you can see, there is a blown up fuse. When the fuse blown up, it means it's a failure of a power adapter of a sensitizer. There is a blown up drive transistor, there is a blown up rectifier, there is a blown up capacitor, there is a blown up regulator. As you can see, those are the general faults of a sensitizer power adapter. If one of those parts is blown up, as you can see at your own screen, if it's blown up, exactly it's a failure of this power adapter of a sensitizer. And now we are going to see how to replace defected component according to their types. As you can see, you have to remind yourself about soldering and soldering. If you remind yourself and you did practical exercise about soldering and soldering, now it's time when you want to replace different part of a sensitizer power adapter. As usual, you have to do soldering and soldering different component of sensitizer power adapter and the replacement of defected component according to their type. As you can see at your screen, you do it slowly, slowly. You replace defected component according to the specification of the defected one. Don't forget that one. And I hope we are doing a practical exercise together as we were running together. After you finish to replace defected component according to their types, what you have to do is to conduct after repair testing. It means you have to test if the replaced component is working properly. Firstly, what you have to do a voltage measurement at different stage of a sensitizer power adapter. As you can see, you start by the fuse, a drive transistor, a regulator, a rectifier, a chopper transformer, and this one is a main capacitor. When you're done with voltage measurement of different stage of sensitizer power adapter, and it works properly, it does mean that you already finished to replace defected component according to the types. When you're done by conduct after repair testing, what you have to do is to do what is called assembling, which is to fix together separated pieces in order to form one ore. That means you're assembling your sensitizer power adapter according to manufacturer instruction. When you're done by assembling, what you have to do is to clean the workplace accordingly. You have to arrange tools, materials, and equipment. And also, you have to arrange no-used materials, such as consumable. And when you're done, you have to arrange waste materials accordingly and manage them according to the types. Thank you for your attention. I hope we were running together and you did practical exercise with me. In next session, we will see how to replace the hardware part of a sensitizer. See you next time. Enjoy.